Adventures of Umoja.
Wow, I love it when you drive like this. It just makes me want to...
Naughty girl.
Come here.
When do you finish your lectures?
Today is actually the whole day. You know, baby, I really wish I'm not leaving. Thank you.
So call me when you're done.
Okay, I will. Thanks for the check, actually.
No problem.
I'll call you, okay?
Do that.
You know I love you, right? Okay, have a good day. Thank you. Love you. Bye. Darling. I've missed you.
Have a seat.
Thank you. Oh, I've missed you. What are you having?
Scotch on rocks. What are you having too?
Okay, I'll do black liquor. Something.
Okay.
Anything. Okay, baby. Love you. Bye. She won't be this one now. This Brooklyn guy. Come. Haven't I told you not to call me by this time?
Shameless.
I'm in class.
Or is it shameful?
So,
what are you talking about?
not by force.
Sister Ijeoma.
You come Brooklyn
It's
too.
always a
I mean, not
different
call me by this time. Brooklyn boy. God, see better pikin. Hello, baby.
Hey, wait, Yecha.
What?
Is it your palaver? It's her body after all.
Well, body. Me, I don't want to say hello to.
You've just said it now.
You know I call a spade a spade.
Not always.
Whatever.
What's up, girl?
Yeah, Evelyn.
Are you serious?
Hey, Ijeoma. Lost and found.
You know something? I'll call you back, okay? I'll call you. I love you. Hi, baby.
You cut class today.
No while now. I'll be your day. I go just collect your notes plus tutorials. You know how they do them now. What a sisters for? Okay. Take this one as down payment, eh?
Thank you.
Okay.
Nice. I see you've been busy, eh?
And what is that supposed to mean?
I can't help noticing your sudden arrival and subsequent departure. Okobasa.
Hey, Chan. Oh, Guinea. Now your business. Eh? What is your... Why can't you mind your business? Eh? Oh, Guinea. Now your body. The meat you want chop so. Now money buy am. Nonsense. Gossip.
Echa, why did you attack her so frontally like that? You know it's not right.
Front? What front? I don't blame you. She has bribed you with Chinchinga.
I even shudder to think what you would have done if it were you. Shameless opportunist. Ouch. Achei. Echino. I heard this being used on someone recently.
My friend, I beg. These are two different things altogether. How can you compare me, my petty pinching, to Ijeoma's wanting lifestyle?
Can you imagine that? But it was kind of funny, you know. Hey! See. Who's that? That's a charm. A charm. What is she picking up? I need to challenge. I need to see. See the way she did.
Imagine if we were all doing that.
It's true, but seriously, Ijeoma's money thing is getting over the board.
But you see, everyone has a weakness. And with time, she can become wise.
I don't holding at the man. How is she going to repair her arted reputation thereafter? Really, tell me, is it worth the cost?
It's a slippery slope. Health, security. Charlie, what a life.
There comes a woman with good reputation.
A reputation which you nearly destroyed. I think that would have taught you something. Remember?
Blistering barnacles. See.
Now, so picture. Evidence. What evidence? What are you using it for?
When I talk, nobody listens to me. Now you have seen with your own eyes. Philly.
Hey, let them. How can let them do that?
But still, this could mean something else.
What else? You are seeing them entering the thing you are telling me. What else? I believe you.
Thank you.
It's honey. Oh yeah, it's honey. You think we don't know what you have been doing?
Echa!
Oh my gosh, did you say they're ready to reinstate my mom with compensation? Oh my goodness. Wow, Dr. Sean, thank you. Thank you. Yes, okay. Guys, I'm sorry, that was Dr. Ashon. He is such an angel and a gentleman, I'm telling you. Eh? How? He took my mother's case pro bono. We just won a settlement. Yeah. I've been working the case with him these past several weeks.
Who you are?
Ijeoma, were you saying something?
Well, I was thinking how you were able to predict the questions so accurately, you know.
Pascal, I studied Dr. Ashon's IAs over the past 8 years, and I realized you always recycle those same 8 questions, that's all.
I told you.
Why? Wait. So you guys thought that Dr. Ashon and I didn't realize you thought so lowly of me. Plus, it's an insult to Dr. Ashon.
Madam, we are sorry, eh? We should have just asked you about it.
Whatever.
What is this about reputation? What are you guys whispering about this time?
My dear, there's no whisper at all. This is as clear as daylight.
Okay.
Okay, tell me. Do you think a woman should sell her body for money?
You mean prostitution?
Yes.
Well, it includes both men and women, you know.
My dear, yes, I know. What do you think? What are your views on prostitution?
Well, it was the first profession to have been engaged in by humankind, so that must mean something.
Madam Lawyer.
But that is not to say that I would recommend this for anybody. The downsides are way too many.
Exactly.
Plus, it pays better to use your brain than your body. You use your brain, you multiply. You use your body, you reduce. Simple.
Word.
Thank
That's
you.
deep, sister. Preach on.
Hallelujah. That's my girl. Have a mostly. Yeah, agree.
Oh, it's a
That's it.
share the pineapple.
You're on your own.
Please, let them sing that.
Hey, it's from the girl.
Hi, my lady. Hi, my lady.
Hello.
Please, come closer. I don't bite. Mean cow.
Sorry, I don't have time for roadside chatter.
Brofo, everybody. You are so beautiful. I mean, cha. Tina me how no. Eh?
Thank you.
Sweetheart. So, how do I get to know you? I want to know you more. I want to know you more. Hi.
You're persistent, eh?
Persistence is my hallmark. That is why I'm successful in life. But about Fefe say, why are you walking? I mean, a pretty lady like you should own your own chariot. I mean, automobile or simplest form, vehicle, a car.
Sorry.
You know what? And never share with me. I want to transform you. I can change your life. The person is sour bravo because I'm successful and I can take you from here today. That is me, okay? You need to be pampered.
Ah, I see. Unfortunately, I like where I am very much. I don't need any such drastic movements. Plus, I don't deal in your currency. I beg, I can't pay you. Please take your pitch elsewhere.
Share. This is a true lady. Now wait, unyana. Now keeping uyantisakoko. Not nasha there. Now feeding. No, so here dear. Opama. Jesus Christ. And kwenyamia bomba.
Guys, back to the topic and the discussion. Let's keep our eyes on the ball, please.
Okay. Can I take the first bite?
Okay.
Okay, so I made a few observations. So I'll take it one at a time, okay? So 1, kingdoms rise and fall mainly through war and conquest. 2, that the conquerors themselves would later become victims of their own ambition, or is it megalomania? 3, that empires rise on the back of economic and military might. And then 5, they leave in their wake wanton destruction and cruelty. Examples are the empires of Persia, Mesopotamia, Egypt, Kush, Indus, Kin, Athens, Rome, and of contemporary times, the Nazi experiment is really a sad reminder.
Somebody has been reading.
I think these points could be a pivot. Well done.
Yeah. Thank you, darling.
Krista Fechan. Thank you. I would also like us to emphasize on the significance of that exceptional individual you mentioned. This is why we have Alexander the Great. the Black Pharaohs, Genghis Khan, Napoleon Bonaparte, Mansa Musa, Hitler, Stalin.
Yeah, and perhaps it's also worthy of mention that all of these, as you stated, they are all men, except perhaps Cleopatra.
Yeah, Cleopatra.
True. Solid. But wait, too. Where do we put the great nation states of today? You know, the US, Russia, and China, who hold virtual empires through their spheres of influence. An examination of the three would be interesting, you know. Because you find especially the US and the Soviet Union tangled in the so-called Cold War post-World War II. Then there was the fall of the Berlin Wall, the Glasnost, Perestroika, and the New Thaw. But we all know it didn't last. Yeah. Then there was the Chinese resurgence, the dragon arise, and Putin. Now we have the Make America Great Again mantra by Trump, or is it the art of the deal?
Really? Charlie, this is a sucker point.
But guys, you know, with friends like these, tell me who needs to study. I'm riding on your back to a straight A. It's just simple.
Sir? Oh, now I understand. You are definitely not one of the bright ones. Just a bomb. You weren't born into greatness.
You are not listening to me. Look, all I need to do is be friends with great people. Then I can have all the fun without the hassle. It's just simple. No.
Smart.
Please, back to the topic. Let's keep our eyes on the ball. I will summarize the points we've made so far and then take it from there.
Okay.
Sergeant Major.
I heard you.
For the show.
This can only be one person. A lady I would gladly die for.
Well, flattery won't save you this time.
Come on. 1 second the threat of death, and another second the breath of life.
What are you studying that has made you so perceptive?
Math, calculus.
I see dx dy. No wonder your raps are so deep.
Break time, eh?
Better still, lunch on me. Come on, munch.
Hey.
We'll do your differentiation and such later. Let's go.
Okay.
So, it looks like all our emphasis so far have been on the first part of the question, the rise and fall. But what about the comparative analysis? We can compare across time between continents depending on type. Again, I think we need more details, facts and figures to use as a basis for our comparative analysis. Basically, we need more research.
Yeah. Oh, I mean this one there be division of labor.
I agree.
Yeah.
Specialization.
No. This is not fair.
Yeah?
Why?
Hey, you people, humans also. Why should I work when I have such great friends? See, the strong should fight for and protect the weak. And one who is just simple. Humans, you won't make things difficult. What's up?
Which week? I don't know papa. Osha, when charity work, who does charity work?
Okay, fine. If you want charity, just pay me. I'll do the work for you.
Pay me, make her pay you, sake of what?
Hey,
I'm not going to pay anything. Make you forget.
what's here, Nika? This is academic prostitution. Bam.
Okay, guys, look, we will tap into our strengths. Here is what I think we should do.
Okay, we dey wait.
Division of labor.
Easy.
Charlie, make you not put my name for there.
Hey, but you want to write my name first? Hey, dog. What bonnet you didn't never last? No.
Really? So, what do you want?
Should we do seafood fried rice? Yes, I mean we can share. They serve bigger portions here.
With vegetables on the side. Let's go for it. Had a long day. So waiter.
Hello. Hi. Hey, I'm Ijeoma Lisa. It's nice to meet you, eh?
Nice to meet you too.
Thank you. Aha, thank you. I would like fresh pineapple juice with ginger. Thank you. I would order later.
Okay.
Come. Don't worry, we'll come back.
Sure, come easy now. Waiting. Okay. You want your privacy?
Yes.
Okay, no wahala. I'll give you space.
Thank you.
Naughty girl.
What?
Okay. Tell your boyfriend that my lunch is on him. Girl, let's solve this guy dry now. Eh? We are sisters.
Well, I am paying for lunch and it's my treat.
Excuse me, you're paying for what? Really? Which planet did you just drop from? Me? Wait, don't worry, I'll pay for yours too. Girl, I don't want your money. I don't want your money. It's his money I want. Wait.
Well, then sorry. That's not how we deal. It's 50-50. Sometimes I pay, other times he does. We take care of each other.
How romantic. Indeed.
Anyway, so smile. Smile as we pass away. So I'll tell him that we wanted to give us our privacy. So. Hey.
Wow. Pay for man. Mama no born this girl well, oh. Really? Come and learn from me, oh. This
What do you order?
I ordered for 2 apple juice. Your favorite.
Thanks.
What? Isn't she joining us in?
Oh no, she just realized we needed our privacy.
Alright, let me help you.
Thank you.
To love.
Yes, and prosperity and good health. That's really good. Anyway.
Trouble.
Daniel! Hi! Okay.
Charlie, make we swerve and we all babe no more.
Charlie.
Charlie, power couple. Oh. You know, Evelyn, I like her. She's got class and a certain dignity and style.
Yep. That guy is lucky. She's a keeper.
Daniel! What kind of men are you? You see a lovely lady sitting there, you won't even invite her to join you. Better picking. Please, I'll order now, eh? I want your soup of the day. Goat light soup. Wait.
Yo, are they coming?
Daniel.
Make it one pot. Wimples! Can you? This one's tuna, guys. My dear, forget that ordering. Forget. They no fit pay. Forget. See, I'll order later. Me aggressive. Eh? What kind of life is this? I went to Evelyn. She chased me. Daniel. Seriously, this is my year life. I have to change you. Eh?
House of Umoja.